Welcome to Samsung Experience Store here at SM City Clark.
Kaka-launch ng kagabi ng bagong Galaxy S25 series at nandito tayo sa Samsung Experience Store sa SM City Clark kung saan pwede nang ma-experience yung bagong S25, S25 Plus at S25 Ultra in the flesh. Kung gusto mo ma-experience yung mga bagong Galaxy S25 phones, punta ka na dito. Meron kang chance na makakuha ng mga special freebies. Tapos, syempre, may mga perks ito like pre-order discounts. The first 5 customers will get a free super fast wireless charger duo. The next 6 to 10 customers will get a free super fast wireless charger 4. While the first 50 customers will get a free Galaxy Watch 7.
If we order, we have a chance to get a spin the wheel promo. All you have to do, guys, is tap this screen, then you'll get exclusive promo discounts or power bomb. We have the 1,000 discount for exclusive Samsung pre-orders.
Kaya tara na sa Samsung Galaxy Experience Store sa SM City Clark, Pampanga. Kita-kits!